I have a letter here from little Billy. Santa, how do you make all the toys for all the kids around the world? Well, that's easy. I call Syracuse Supply. They've been in business for over 140 years. They have DN Solutions, Star Swiss machines, Sodic EDM, United Grinding. They even have Track for little Herbie in the tool room. The other great thing is they have all of the toolant and coolants you need to make them work. Craig and Adam are helpful with the programming, and their little service elves are quite responsive. I also hear their salesmen are quite dashing. Why? Here comes a little Syracuse Supply elf right now.
Well, hi, Santa.
How are you?
Merry Christmas. Thank you for being here, and I love your workshop. It's great.
Oh, that's my wife, Mrs. Claus. She does quite a job.
I'll bet she's pretty hot, huh, Santa?
You betcha.
You betcha. Well, we'd like to say to all of our customers, thank you for a great 2025, and Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year.